Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Moosomin, Saskatchewan. This friendly town is one of the first places you'll see when you enter Saskatchewan on the Trans-Canada Highway. Moosomin was founded in 1882 during the time when the Canadian Pacific Railway was being built across the country. It's named after Chief Moosomin, a respected Cree leader whose name means mooseberry in the Cree language. The town quickly grew as a stop along the railway and became a busy farming community. Today, Moosomin is known for its rich farmland, strong community spirit, and welcoming atmosphere. It's surrounded by open prairies with fields of wheat, canola, and other crops stretching for miles. It's a peaceful spot with a long history and a special place along the highway. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.